The development of a new crop or animal variety is vital to increase agricultural productivity in this country. These varieties are usually developed to suit the local environment, especially in the face of climatic change. However, the users of these varieties have over the years failed to recognize the investment and effort of the creators and the need to pay the necessary royalties. This is what the Plant Breeders Bill seeks to address, according to scientists who are championing the passage of the bill in the country. Debunking allegations from certain quarters that the bill, when passed, will give giant seed companies monopoly, the head of Crop Research Institute, Dr. Adu Dapaah, said the bill only seeks to give recognition to any breeder who comes up with a new unique variety or plant for cultivation.
Is to protect the right of anybody. It can be a scientist, it can be a farmer, it can be any other person who comes up with a new plant variety that is distinct, that is uniform, and that is stable. You need to fulfill these three criteria before the variety will be considered, to be protected. And it's all about giving rights to the person or the institution that developed the variety, so that we'll be able to develop more varieties. That is all. That is like you have come up with a record. You need to protect it so that if anybody wants to use that record, they have to seek authorization from you if they want to modify it. So that is all that the bill is about, to give recognition to breeders or farmers or whoever comes up with a new variety.
A member of the Committee for Biosafety, Professor Walter Lassa, noted that if the bill is passed, farmers will have free access to seeds that are protected, provided the purpose is not for commercial farming.
They feel that once the bill is passed, farmers can no longer have free access to seeds, which is true. They won't have free access. But they will not have free access to those varieties which are protected. Farmers have a choice between varieties which are not protected and those which are still available. They can use that. But in the long run, if those varieties that the farmers use disappear from the system, and the only varieties available are the protected ones, then there is the concern. But the bill takes care of that in a way. That is, the farmer can still use the protected variety as long as he's not commercializing it. And the size of land is such that it's not for commercialization. It's just to grow food for him or herself and the family. The law will allow that the farmer keeps it. But once the farmer starts selling it and making money, then the farmer has to share this with the one who actually developed the variety.
Dr. Adu Dapaah said when the bill is passed, it will force multinational companies to work with the country's research stations to generate local varieties of seed. He noted further that a proposed Plant Breeders Development Fund will help promote relevant publication of the committee and the rights of the breeders. Nuwanash for Versa One News.